Are you interested in investing or owning a property in Rwanda? Well, here in Kicukiro, Kagarama, we have this amazing house, which is 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, dining area, kitchen, living room, rooftop terrace, and also a big parking space. And it's only on 370 million Rwandan francs with a slight of negotiation. So if you are interested, let's go in details and show you what we have. Community estate, which is just on the main road over there. So you can see that we have other buildings here. So we are going to go into this one because this is the one we are going to tour. So come with me. So you can see this is the parking space from here, which is big enough where you can park up to 3 cars or even more. And also you can see that is paved well. And here on this side, we have a nice garden where you can maintain yourself and do everything else, because you can see that we are still into the maintaining work. It's not, fully maintained and all of that. So we are going to go here. Yeah, you can see also how nice it looks and how finished it is. You can see from outside it looks really, really nice. So on this side we have another area that can be used as a veranda before you go into the main house. And also when you go this way, you are going back to the back side of the house. So we are going to go inside and see how it is from the main entrance. This is the one you can use if you are going to go inside. You can use this one, but for us we are going to use this glass door here that comes into the dining area. But let's check this one. Welcome inside. So on this side we have our living room, which is really spacious. You can see all the way how big it is. And also on this side we have a TV stand where you can put your TV, where you can put some ornaments and arts. And you can see that we have enough area to put seat. And also you can have a chandelier here. We are still into maintenance, so that's why it doesn't have a chandelier yet, but you can see how amazing it looks, right? So when you come all this way, we are going to the dining area, which is also big and enough. You can put seat here and table, and then your family will have a great time. And it also has a big door that brings in enough natural light, and the ceiling is well made, although we are still into electricity maintenance. And also here we have a door that takes us outside and back to the back side. When you come on this way, we also have another cabinet where you can put some ornaments or even wines and all of that. So let's check the kitchen. So welcome to our kitchen. From here we have a countertop that can be used to serve the food to the dining area, or you can even use this one as a small bar. And when you come like this, we have a sink here where you can do the dishes, where you can put your cooker and stove, and we also have where you can plug all the appliances. You can see that is big enough, and also has enough cabinets to store different things, food, dishes, and all of that all the way here. And when you come on this way, we have another side that has its own pantry. From this area, you can use this one as a pantry, and then you can store your food. And when you go outside from here, let's check it out. So when you come on this side, we have a big space that can be used as a playground for your kids. And also we have a housekeeper's house up there. And also on this side, we have toilet, outside kitchen, and also where to hang your clothes. So let's check the bedrooms and see how they are. On this floor, we have 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom. Let's check it out. So when you enter like this, we have a staircase that goes upstairs, and we also have a space here that can be used as a storage. And when you come like this, we have our first bedroom that is here. Welcome inside. So this is our bedroom. We still have things that are not well placed, like a wardrobe, because it also comes with its wardrobe, but you can see that is big enough, and it also has places to plug your phones and all of that. And when you come this way, we have our bathroom. So on this side, we have a bathroom, which is big enough. This is where to take a shower with 2 shower heads, toilet seat, and also a sink behind here. As you can see, this is the sink that is really nice. And this bathroom can be used for the outside guests and all of that because it doesn't meet the same door with the bedroom. So let's go upstairs and see how it is. So when you come up our staircase, you can see that it also goes to the third or second floor. And when you come this way, we have an area where you can have the view of the living room where our chandelier will go. You can see that is, enough, and also goes to the balcony on this side. But we are going to first go another side so that we can check this balcony on this area. Come with me. Here we have the master bedroom. That is the one we are going to see now. So when you come like this, we have a walk-in closet, but let's check the bathroom. This is the sink here with a very nice mirror. And here we have where you can take a shower that is big enough. And also when you come here, we have a toilet seat. You can see that our bathroom is really spacious for, for a couple. And also when you come out like this, you will go back to our walk-in closet. Come with me. So after the bathroom, we have our walk-in closet here, which is big enough and it has enough cabinet, to store your clothes and your shoes that can fit here. And also here we have our master bedroom, which is here. You can see this is our master bedroom and it's big enough. You can plug some things here and then you will have, an amazing bedroom. You can see that our ceiling is well made and well finished. And also on this side, we have where you can plug your TV in case you don't want to go downstairs to watch the news. And here we have the balcony that I was telling you about. You can see that is big enough. You can put some plants here and then you have a great time and also the view of the neighborhood, the whole estate. And also this is the door I was telling you about that takes us back to here where we will be watching our living room. So let's check the remaining 3 bedrooms and see how they are. So on this side we have 2 bedrooms that share 1 bathroom. This is one of the bedroom and here we have the bathroom, but let's check this bedroom first. So this is one of the bedroom because they are almost the same, and you can see that is big enough. You can put a bed here, and it also comes with its own closet on this area. You can see that it's also well lit and very nice. So when you come on this way, we have a balcony here of this bedroom that is enough for someone who is staying here. You can also put some plants here and then it will be nice. Let's check the bathroom. So when you come this way, that can be shared between those 2 bedrooms. This is where they can take a shower. Here we have a toilet seat on this side, and we also have a nice sink here with a mirror. You can see that it's still under maintenance. So we are done with 4 bedrooms. We are going to check upstairs for the last bedroom. So as we are coming here, this is our staircase and we are going to check the last bedroom that is on this side. So when you look at this, we have this corridor here that brings into our last bedroom, which is on this side. And you can see that it's also big enough. It can host a big bed, and it also comes with its own wardrobe here, which has enough cabinets to put clothes, shoes, and all of that. So when you come on this side, we also have a small balcony here that can help you have the view of the neighborhood all the way here. So we are going to check the bathroom. So when you come like this, we have a bathroom that is here outside of the kitchen, the bedroom. So come with me. This is the bathroom here. So when you come here is where you can take a shower. Let me close the door. Here is where you can take a shower. Here we have a toilet seat, and on this side we have a sink and also a mirror on this side. So this bathroom can also use for some people who are on the rooftop terrace, because it comes all the way here, has another door. When you come like this, it brings us to our rooftop terrace, and another door that takes us back to the staircase. And you can see that our rooftop terrace is you can see how big it is. Imagine if you have some plants here and then you are hosting a birthday party. It will be an amazing time, because you can also have the chance to have the view of the neighborhood all the way. And also here we have another space that is really, really amazing. So that is how it is. Let me know what you think in the comment section. So we are done doing the tour of this amazing house here in Kicukiro, Kagarama. And to remind you, it's 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, rooftop terrace, kitchen, dining area, sitting room, parking space, and also a garden. And it's only on 370 million Rwandan francs with a slight of negotiation. So if you are interested, let us know in the comment section. You can also reach out to us in the information down in the description box or also on the screen. My name is Cynthia, and I will see you next time.